Hello. In this video, you will learn how to hold multistreams from the Proficonf conference room. Pro and Premium plan members can additionally purchase functionality for live streaming from the conference room to YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, Restream, or a custom server. Also, there's a multistreaming functionality, with which you can simultaneously broadcast to any 3 of the social networks from the list. First of all, let's create a conference room. It can be an instant, scheduled event, or a permanent room. Invite speakers to the event room, and then the audience can be connected to the live stream. Go to the streaming menu. In the upper right corner, there is a menu for setting up live streams where you can enable or disable chat, enable or disable participants' thumbnails, select showing only the organizers or the active participants' video. There's also the field for entering the server URL, the field for entering the stream key, button Add Streaming Server. Don't close the browser tab and go to YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, or Restream to create the stream, and then copy the stream URL and the stream key. Go to a Proficonf conference, paste the URL and stream key into the conference menu, and click Add Streaming Server. You can do it 3 times, and at 3 different servers for simultaneous streaming. You will be able to start streams 1 at a time, or run them in 3 social networks at the same time. Click Start for all servers. In order to completely stop streaming, press the Stop for all servers button or press the Stop Streaming button near the social network where you want to stop the streaming. For more information on how to create live streams on YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, and Restream, read on our Proficonf Help Center, link in description. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media to see more updates.